For that alone, na kinaya niyong tumira sa bahay ni Kuya, nagpakatotoo kayo, winner na yon. And of course, marami ang humanga sa inyo doon sa tapatan with the housemates. Kasi parang kayo daw yung pinakamagaling sumagot.
Ala. Totoo ba?
Oo. Kaya nga kayo yung binoto rin ng mga housemates, no? Landslide ang pagkakapanalo nyo doon. Paano nyo pinaghandaan yun?
Actually po, wala po talaga kaming paghanda
Wala kaming
nun.
alam na
Yeah.
magkakatapatan po kasi bigla na lang kaming tinawag sa confession
Yes
room ni
po.
Charlie na sabi namin, ano to? Tapos, ayun po, pagpasok namin, naka-ano na sila, naka-full pack outfit na sila.
you know,
Pasabog,
parang
Hogwarts ba
Harry
to?
Potter yung
Ganyan.
vibes nila.
Oo,
Yeah.
nagpapatawa pa talaga kami nung pinakauna. Kasi nakakatawa po talaga sila, sobrang seryoso. Tapos kami, kilala namin yung mga yun.
Yes
Parang
po.
nakita po namin
It's
sila.
not the usual for
it's
them.
Yung aura nila, magkaiba talaga. So parang dun po nag-sink in sa amin na, okay, tapatan pala to. So, ayun, wala po kaming preparation talaga. At sobrang happy po kami na hindi kami nakapag-prepare masyado.
Yeah.
Kasi kung ano po yung mga pinagsasabi namin dun, yun po talaga yung totoong mga nararamdaman namin at totoong thoughts po namin about the questions po na naibato sa amin. At
Actually,
yung
when-
reminder mo sa akin.
Yung reminder ko talaga, when we found out na may tapatan po, kasi Kuya told us na papasok kami to the eviction room. So we had a slight clue lang po that we would talk to them already and we would have that PBB moment. This is that PBB moment that we've been waiting for, you know. The only thing I told Esnia was, let's be graceful. Let's handle it with grace. Na hindi kami mag-iinsulto on whatever emotions we will feel, whatever is gonna happen, whatever they're gonna question us with. Let's be graceful and let's be kind when we answer po. Yan lang po talaga yung goal namin. And I'm proud of us. Kasi even if we've raised our voices to be heard, we've never given an insult to each and every one of them kasi we still handled it with love po.
And we know that it's a task.
Yes.
Yes
And
po,
it
we know
made
it's a
a big difference. No? That, yung grace. In-explain mo nga yan no,
Yes po.
Charlie, kung anong ibig sabihin ng grace.
Yes
Napanood ko
po,
yun.
thank you.